Okay, so what we're going to be doing is I'm going to quickly instruct on how to operate the server and how to start the combat patrol scenario. So what you're going to first do is you're going to load in to the Liberation server or whatever server you want to work on, okay? You're going to open your chat box by pressing the / key on your keyboard by your period. You're going to open chat. See, I have chat open right here. You're going to type in this command. You can hashtag, pound key, whatever you prefer. Log in, enter the password. This requires you to know the password. After you type this command in, check the top right player count for your name. You see my name on the top right? I'm going to make it light up. It has admin right next to it. That means I have admin. Okay. Now, this server, this current Liberation server that is being used to modify, is automatically starting Hearts and Minds. We do not want Hearts and Minds. We want Combat Patrol. This is a video for Combat Patrol. So, what we're going to do, we're going to open the chat box again by pressing / on our keyboard next to our period and comma. We're going to type pound key or hashtag missions. Like this. Then you're going to press enter. You're going to get a menu like this. On the top left is a difficulty. For the sake of a unit that actually has a custom ACE config, you will select custom. On the top left here, where it says maps, these are all the different maps, and as you click on them, it will show you the scenario that is available for this map on the top right. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be switching it over to Combat Patrol. So after we do hashtag missions, we get this menu. We click Custom, then we go to our maps. Let's say I want to do Combat Patrol on Isla Abremia. I'm going to click on Isla Abremia. Okay, we got Combat Patrol right here. ST Custom Combat Patrol Title 2. We're going to click on this. We're going to click Continue. Okay, now, you're going to select the SWAT you want, but don't start. This is the important part. We're going to configure this session to fit what we want. You're going to go to the top right where it says parameters. You're going to open that. Here is where you configure the difficulty of any scenario you're working with on the server, as well as any utility settings. So, let's say we want to make the scenario harder, like a lot harder. Here's what we're going to be doing. We're going to go to starting time of day. We're going to set to random, weather, random, enemy garrison standard, enemy reinforcements, let's make it advanced. Mark insertion, let's change that. Respawn tickets, we're going to make it 5, so that's almost a 1-life fob. Location, we're going to make it random, so you can't predict what's going to happen. We'll keep these on. We're going to increase to 2, and then you hit back. Now, this should save the parameters. If you're not sure if it's saved, just open it again, and there you go. See, it saved all the stuff we changed. From this point on, you're going to hit back, you're going to select your role, then you're going to hit OK. That's going to put you into the game using these settings that you applied to the parameters. Might take a while though. Okay, there we go. Now, it's gonna load you in. Give it some time to kick in.
Be advised, support units are now on standby. out.
Gambler, you're
And
clear
there you
to
go.
proceed. Good luck. Battle Mage out.
See what it just did? It listened. If you ever want to check, okay, let's say you're in. Not sure if the parameters applied. What you're going to do? Go to the top left in your map. You press M. Go to your map. Go to the log, and then go to parameters. See, we can see the parameters we set. Now, obviously, these are set, you can tell, because it randomly started us at night in a random location that I didn't get to choose. I hope this helped. This is mainly for people that are team leads and squad leads and officer staff that want to be able to run a training scenario, which in this case is Combat Patrol. I recommend Combat Patrol. Lots of different maps available to choose from for that as well. So now you know how to run Combat Patrol by yourself on a server and how to make it harder, right? How to change the parameters to make it harder. Now, for Combat Patrol in particular, keep in mind, once you finish this mission or you all die, it will probably reset itself, okay? So when that happens, be ready to again open the chat and do hashtag missions and redo the process, okay? Another trick you can do, here's another command you got. Let's say you just finished a mission. If you do hashtag restart, it will attempt to restart the scenario. Keep in mind, this is sensitive to server configuration. So you might try to do this command, it might not correctly do it. In fact, I'm gonna do it for you right now just to see if it will do it correctly. So ready? So see, as you could see, this command does not work on the server in particular because it defaults to a specific mission. I might be able to turn that off in the future, but for now, the moment you finish one rotation of Combat Patrol, oh wait, oh, hey, look at that, it worked. It worked. Okay, never mind.
Gambler, you're clear to proceed. Good luck.
All right.
Battle Mage out.
Never mind then. Yeah, okay. Don't forget that command, hashtag restart. After you set everything up, do hashtag restart the moment you finish or everyone dies. Do hashtag restart, it will immediately start a new session like this, assuming you set parameters like this. Okay, I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please contact me. Thank you.